Git is the version control system. Git helps you to understand the history of any file or any folder. It helps you to understand which person has done which changes. If anything wrong happens, then it helps you revert the code also. Now, in the next topic of the Git, we are going to cover the trees. In the Git, trees are the different areas in which file changes are stored. First one is the working directory. Second one is staging area. Third one, repository. Now, before moving to the theoretical part, let's understand some practical way like how these things works. We will come to this graph later on. You have to open two things here. First one is the open VS Code. To the VS Code, we will do the changes. Second one is the command line. Now again I am saying please watch the previous lectures so that you can clearly understand this concept. Second thing, I am using the Jupyter Notebook for making notes only. It doesn't have any role in the code implementation or in the GitHub. So now what we have to do, go to this folder, copy this command. To this command we will go to the folder in which we have stored the files. Now use the dir. To the dir you will get to know the folder in which we have done the changes. Okay. Now we are working on which folder? GitHub practice. Please watch the previous lecture. We have created this folder, dummy folder. Now to go to this folder, use cd GitHub practice. Okay. Now do some dummy changes here in this file. Example, add print hello. Control S, press the Control S. Now go back to the command line. Now check whether this file is showing some changes or not. To check this, use git status. To the git status, you will only get to know which file has the changes, but it doesn't tell you what kind of changes are there. It clearly shows you git modified pipeline.py. Now check what are the changes which we have done. This can be identified by using git diff. You will get to know, yes, we have added these two lines. So I only want this line, print hello. Now understand, we were discussing the concept of trees. Trees are the different code change areas available in the Git. So first area is your working directory where you are doing the changes. It is your local system. You are doing the changes to the VS Code in your local file system. So these changes are available right now in the first area, that is your working directory. Now the second area is the staging. In staging we move those changes which we are confirmed, yes, we are ready for these changes to be moved in the final stage. So we move there to the staging area. In the staging area we move those only changes which we are confirmed. It is pre-final step. So to move the changes into the staging area, use the git add and space dot. To the dot, all the changes will be moved. All the file changes will be moved. But if you want to move only one file change, so use file name instead of the dot. Now your file changes have been moved. To check this, use the command git diff staged. Now to this you will get to know, yes, your changes are available in the staging area. So right now we have covered two trees. First one is the working directory. I am representing it with the WD, where your changes, local changes are there, which you have done to the VS Code. It is available in your local file system, local computer. Second area is the staging. I am marking it with the STG. Staging is the area in which we are determined, yes, we are confirmed with these changes and we are moving to the pre-final stage. Okay. So how to move the changes to the staging? Use the git add, and to confirm, yes, our changes have been moved to the staging, use the command git diff 2 times hyphen staged. Now there is a third tree or the third area which changes are moved, that is the final area. And if we move the changes here, then a proper snapshot of your changes will be saved to the Git repository. This one is the commit area or the repo area. So to move the changes, use git commit /m. M means message. Hello. Now enter. Now your changes have been moved to the final stage. So there are 3 stages in every Git process. First one is the working directory in which you are doing the changes. Second one is the pre-final stage, the staging area. Once you are confirmed with the changes, you can move to the staging area. Then in the final stage, you want to create a snapshot or create a history of your changes. You can use the git commit. That is the repo area. Now, for the notes, you can download to the GitHub repo. Information has been provided in the description. You can check that. Let's go back to the illustration. First one is the working directory. The working directory you store the changes which you have done in your local system. Only local system changes are there. You can check that through the git status and the git diff. As you know, through the git status you will get to know which file has been changed. Through the git diff you will get to know what are the changes. Now second area is the pre-final stage. Prepare change for the final commit. This is the staging area. You add the files into that area to the git add and you confirm your changes with the git diff -staged. Now third one is the final stage. You are creating a snapshot. Okay. Now one thing which we have missed here, git log. To the git log you can view the history. Let's go back. There are 2 commands. To the git log you will get the detailed history. These are the commits which we have done. To the git log 19 you will get the short history. Git log 19. Okay. If you have any question in this concept, you can freely ask the questions to the comment box or you can mail me. Thank you.